Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button that says subscribe, there's a little bell with notifications when I upload a new video. Now this is a very simple card trick. There's just literally 4 cards here, there's 4 aces there. 4 aces there, that's all there is. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say, you're going to have the red aces, yeah? So there's your red ace there, yeah? So there's your red ace there, so we'll just pop that one down there, bump like that. And then we'll just do a little bit of that, a little shuffling around there. I don't know why I've shuffling, it's not even a really shuffle really. But it's just to sort of show you again that, you know, there's 4 aces, well actually there's 3 aces, because I've got 3 aces and there's one down there. And I'll just show you that one there, and there's your other ace, you see, there's your red ace, you see. So put that down there, and we put it down there. And there we go. So, this really is not really a trick really, it's just a lesson really, because you've got the 2 red aces, I've got the 2 black aces. The lesson here to learn is never play cards for me, because I've got the 2 red aces and you've actually got the 2 black aces. So that, my friends, is not magic. That's a lesson